Top HVAC hacks. Every homeowner needs to know your HVAC system is the unsung hero of your home, working tirelessly to keep you comfortable. Change your air filters like clockwork. A clean filter isn't just a detail, it's the secret to better air quality and an efficient system. Set a reminder today and breathe easier tomorrow. Declutter your outdoor unit. Imagine your system trying to breathe under a pile of leaves and dirt. Clear the space. It's a small act with big rewards. Harness the power of smart thermostats. Think of this as giving your HVAC a brain. Program it wisely and watch the savings roll in while staying effortlessly comfortable. Seal the leaks. Keep the comfort. Drafty windows and doors? Seal them up and let your system focus on what matters. Keeping your home a haven. Invest in maintenance. Catch problems early and keep your unit running strong.